Last time on NYZ Outdoors.
What the heck is going on there? What the heck? There's a deer right there. Oh, that was one. Son of a.
Oh my love, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know. Oh my love, I don't know where I'm going. I don't know where I'm going. I don't know.
Already bleeding. You drew blood already? Yeah, I'm already bleeding. I was out here for like a minute.
It's no good anymore.
The leg's no good.
That one's no good. We need another one.
He said the leg's no good. On your right. Nope, now on your left. Pick a side. Pick a side. I crashed. I crashed. Oh, I skinned my knee too.
That's why I didn't even try it.
Already bleeding.
You drew blood already?
Yeah, I'm already bleeding. I was out here for like a minute.
I hurt my knee. Already bleeding.
I hurt my knee. I gotta go home. Hey, what you doing? Being a fat guy on a bike?
Yep.
Me too.
I'm being pretty good at it right now. I wish I was a skinny guy on a bike.
Or just a skinny guy and then I won't need a bike.
Yeah, that'd be even better. This looks bad.
I remember wheeling in this mud hole. Whee!
I tried.
You what?
Don't try to bike under things like this at high speed with a backpack on.
No, definitely not.
I got taken right off the bike before.
Yeah.
Or just walking while I'm holding this up.
Hey, let it go right now.
Right?
No, wait for it.
Well, you got a helmet on.
It's a nice hiking trail. Boy, if I wasn't real tired, I'd like to ride on this log.
Ride it. Go ahead. I dare you.
I'll fall.
So will I.
So it'll be in a roll. You don't have to dig the berry.
Oh, yeah. I burned out. You almost made it.
I wasn't trying to, and then I almost did.
Lynn, do you want to go? It's so buggy! You made it!
I made it!
You made it!
Made it! On your right. Nope, now on your left. Pick a side. Pick a side. Yeah, thank God for full suspension.
Yeah, bad line. That was a bad line.
Woohoo! My toes are tingly. All right, drop in.
Yeah.
Woo! That was a rocky line.
Yeah.
I just like kind of just
ran. Yeah. Woo!
got bumpy there.
Yeah, it did. That was fun.
Oh yeah. It kicked up when I was going down.
Catch a big rock?
Big rock. It's no good anymore.
The leg's no good?
That one's no good. We need another one.
He said the leg's no good.
Woo! Yeah, that was fun.
That was a ball.
That was. That was a nice line downhill.
Yup.
Super rocky.
That way, don't go over the edge.
We're up high. Look how high we are. I don't like going near the edge. I'm like all wussy. That's high up here. Step on that. Oh, that is cool. Look at that. Just look at that. So if you check out over there, that's where we were on the island with the fire the other day. I'll put a link in the description for that video. So you fell?
I did.
Once?
Once.
Did you walk down any of it or just...
Probably about 20 feet, and then I told myself to man up and get on the bike and ride down, and I did. But this hill was much tougher than the dam road.
Yeah, it was rocky.
It was very rocky and very loose.
It was real rocky. Ugh.
I'm gonna have some pretty bruises.
Your right leg?
Yeah.
What'd you do to it?
It's tired and sad. It's not my good leg, you know? It has like a lot of...
What'd you do to
It has
it?
like a lot of bad.
I feel like you hit that one a couple times.
Yeah, well this was like right when we first got on the bikes.
Yeah, instantly?
Yeah, that one was just as soon as I didn't even pedal it twice and I'm wounded. Check this out, I just saw this. I feel like I don't want to do that. It's bad directions.
Hi!
What, are you coming to check on me?
I took a hysterical picture of you just out on the rock. Like he's taking a nap! Dave goes, it's a NYZ Outdoor picture of the day.
On? I thought that was longer than that. Nope. Just seems it when you walk up it, huh? Woo! Yeah, this is new. You tired?
Yeah,
Too much for you today, huh?
probably. I have like a wicked headache and a little bit of blurry vision.
Too much for you today?
I think 2 wicked uphills is not a good idea.
At least not yet.
No. I can handle because usually when we come out and we do this one, I'm fine, but for some reason, that second uphill is not doing too well with me.
What up? Maybe I'll see you at the water tower. Go nice and slow. Bad line. Bad line. Oh, I made it! I made it! Ah, no, you ruined it.
You ruined it. My legs hurt. Are we done?
Oh, we didn't even start yet.
Oh, we have to go now?
Yeah. That was just a ride to get to where we were going to go biking.
That was the warm-up ride?
Yeah.
I feel tired. I feel like I'm not less fat either, to be honest with you.
I feel less fat.
Do you?
I actually feel pretty good.
Whew! All right, well, let's let the camera stop doing that. Thanks for watching. It was another bike ride. Mission successful. We didn't die. Dave has an orange helmet. See you guys later.